Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with determiners. So, what do we mean by determiners? Determiners are words that are used before nouns to determine or fix their meaning in a sentence. So, the kinds of determiners include definite and indefinite articles, the, a, and, demonstratives, this, these, those, that, possessives, my, our, your, her, his, its, their, quantifiers, both, all, much, some, no, little, a lot of, etc. Distributives, each, every, either, neither. Interrogatives, which, whose, what, etc. And expression of number, many, several, enough, another, some, of, plenty of, one, two, etc. Articles. A and N are indefinite articles. They suggest the meaning of one and they're used before singular countable nouns. Usage of A. Now, A is used with consonant sounds. That is, it is used before a singular countable noun beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a shop, shop, that is consonant sound and it is countable noun, that is one shop. A train, a ball. So, it suggests the meaning of one. A plus noun, a noun which denotes a class. A whale is a mammal. That is, whale is a noun, and here whale stands for every whale. That is a class. A child needs love. Child, that is a noun, but here a child does not stand for one child, it stands for all children. A is also used in certain exclamatory expressions. What a beautiful shot! Here, a has been used. What a pity! Now, the article A can also be used to express quantity, price, ratio, speed, weight, numbers, frequency, profession, religion, etc. A dozen, a quantity. A pair of, again quantity. Sugar is rupees 20 a kilo, that is price. This car gives 20 kilometers a liter, that is speed. 100, a billion, that is numbers. Frequency. An example, we have music lessons twice a week. Twice a week, that is frequency. A doctor, that is profession. A Hindu, that is a religion. Now, where to use an before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Vowels, we all know vowels, that is E, I, O, U. But then we are talking of sounds. An apple, an eye, an uncle, an MP. So M here has been pronounced as So an MP, an NCC officer, an MED. But when it comes to all abbreviations, an would be used? No, definitely no. A B.Ed, a PhD. So where else to use an? That is before a word beginning with silent H, an R, an honor, an ire. So here H has not been pronounced. If a countable noun is preceded by an adjective, A and N is used before the adjective according to its initial sound. An artist, an artist. So the vowel sound is there. A great artist, great. So the sound is of consonant. So a great artist. An experienced artist. So again, you need to make sure that you follow the sound. The following words begin with vowel letters but not with vowel sounds. They therefore take A before them. A university, a 1 rupee note, a European, a unit. So you need to understand that the sound, if it is a vowel sound, it will take an, otherwise it will take a. The, that is the definite article. It is used with both countable nouns singular as well as plural and uncountable nouns. It is used to specify a person, place, or thing. Now, when to use the article the? A singular noun when it refers to a particular class or group. The cow is a sacred animal. Over here, cow stands for the class. So, the cow. My brother has joined the army. The army stands for a class, a group. So, the army. Now, the second usage is with adjectives in superlative degrees. The fastest animal, fastest superlative degree, the has been used. The most hardworking student, most superlative degree, the has been used. And the other usage is when there is only one of something, the sun, the equator, the sky, the moon, there's just one. So the has been used. So, where else to use the? Before descriptive adjectives referring to a whole group or class. The rich, the poor. Here, the rich stands for the rich class. Before the name of a person, thing whose identity is known to everyone. The prime minister, the principal. We use the before the names of the ranges of mountains and hills, the Alps, the Khasi Hills, groups of islands, the Andamans, the West Indies, rivers, the Thames, the Sutlej, gulfs, the Persian Gulf, oceans, the Pacific Ocean, canals, seas, well known buildings, the Gateway of India, the Lotus Temple, holy books, the Bible, the Gita, newspapers, the Hindu, the Washington Post. The is also used before the names of trains, ships, and aeroplanes. The Shatabdi Express, the Ashoka, cardinal directions like the east, the south, inventions like the microscope, the computer, countries if the name contains a common noun, the United States of America, the United Kingdom. So, states and kingdom are common nouns. The whole families, that is, the Bachchans, the Khans. We do not use the before the names of individual peaks, individual islands, and magazines. The Sri Lanka, the Mount Everest, the India Today. In this, the is an incorrect usage. We will not use the. Demonstratives, this, that, these, those are used to point out persons or objects. This and these are used to point out person or objects close to the speaker. This is used before singular noun and these before plural nouns. This book will serve your purpose. This book singular, this that is at the time of speaking the thing was close to the speaker. These chocolates are for you. Chocolates that is plural. So these are used with the plural noun. That is used with singular noun and those with plural noun, which refers to a person or objects at a distance. That house belongs to my uncle. House, that is singular noun. That house, that is the house is at a distance. Those girls are going to perform a dance. Girls, that is plural noun. Those girls are people that are standing, girls that are standing at a distance. This and that can be used before singular or uncountable nouns also. This water is not fit for drinking. Water, uncountable noun. So we have used this. That and the plural form those is used to avoid the repetition of the preceding noun. My bat is better than that of my friend. Over here, that refers to bat. Our soldiers are better equipped than those of Nepal. So, those here refers to soldiers. Possessives. They possess the nouns that follow them. They are used before both singular and plural nouns. and they are used before both countable and uncountable nouns. My book, countable, my, the possession is mine. Your questions, that is plural noun, questions, our house, our duty, duty, uncountable noun.